guys, and welcome to another video of ACOnetwork. And today I'm granting a wish. Okay, I'm starting to grant a wish of YouTuber that expressed a wish, so I create video tutorials on Microsoft Office. Yes. So this is the first of 3 parts video introduction for Microsoft Office and general. After that I will take each component of Microsoft Office and teach you more and more about them. So today I'm covering the name Microsoft Office, what it stands for, what does Microsoft Office actually do, what does this package Microsoft Office contains, and so on. Before I start, just remember to subscribe, like or dislike, and of course share. So let's start learning. So Microsoft Office. First, we need to understand what does Microsoft Office actually means. Microsoft is a company, very known company that manufactures a lot of different programs. Even game console, Xbox, you can play on your television. Microsoft also, you may know that manufactures program like Skype, so you can talk to some other people, friends and so on over the internet. And they make a lot of different programs. Today we are not here to talk about Microsoft. Today we are all about Office. Office is a package for a bunch of different programs. Most known programs are Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but others are, let's say, Outlook, Access, OneDrive and so on. With all these programs you can make documents, edit text, create presentations for your boss, for co-workers and so on. You can use all these programs for home, private use, or for, let's say, companies, business use. There is free editions of many programs and paid versions, but all this stuff I will cover in later this video and in next videos. Microsoft Office can be found on many different devices, laptops, desktop computers, smartphones, tablets, and officially, let's say, you can find it on Windows operating systems, desktop laptops, then MacBooks from Apple, Macintosh. You can also find on Android and iOS devices. Basically, Microsoft Office supports a variety of different operating systems and devices. In these video tutorials that I will be showing you, I will use Microsoft Office 2016 version. You can also use the same tutorials that I will be showing you in the future for older versions. Are very similar, but basically I will try to show you, to teach you a lot of different stuff as simple as possible. But remember, if you did not understand something, like in classroom, if you want to know something more, whatever, just write everything down below in comment section. That was it for today. In next week I will be talking about Microsoft Office editions, as well comparison tables, so what each package contains, and I will be talking about free and paid version of that program and some more information. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video. Subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos. Share video with your friends, coworkers and others so they can learn too. And have a great day. Bye bye.